If you've ever thought AI sounds cool, but honestly, it also kind of freaks me out, you are so not alone. A lot of us didn't grow up with this tech, and it can feel like learning a whole new language, and not the fun kind, like ordering dessert in Paris. Now, I've always been someone who enjoys technology. I was that friend who got excited about new gadgets, tried every productivity app, and yes, even programmed my VCR without calling a teenager. But when AI started becoming more mainstream, I'll admit I hesitated because, like many of us, I also saw The Terminator. And somewhere in the back of my mind, I kept thinking, this is how it starts. You know, the machines take over and suddenly we're all asking a robot for permission to make toast. But here's what I've learned. AI today isn't about world domination. It's about making your life easier in small, practical, actually pretty amazing ways. So if you've ever thought AI sounds cool, but honestly, it also kind of freaks me out, you are so not alone. But here's the truth. You don't have to be a tech genius to use AI. You don't even have to understand all the techie stuff. You just need to know where to start. So let's walk through this together like girlfriends figuring it out over coffee. Step 1, start small, really small. You don't need to jump into complicated apps or expensive tools. Start with something super simple and helpful, like an AI-powered to-do list. Try this. Google Keep or Microsoft To Do can use basic AI to help you organize your day. You type your tasks and it'll help you prioritize. No pressure, no tech headache. Step 2, talk to ChatGPT. Yep, just chat. It's not a robot invasion. It's like texting a super helpful friend who never sleeps. Ask ChatGPT, can you help me write a birthday card for my sister? What are 5 easy dinner ideas? Can you remind me of the steps to reset my email password? Start with everyday life stuff. That's where AI can really shine. Step 3, voice assistants are your friend. If you've ever said, hey Siri or Alexa, play my favorite song, guess what? You've already used AI and it didn't explode. Gold star for you. Try this. Set reminders. Ask about the weather. Play your favorite playlist. Voice assistants are a perfect low-pressure place to get comfortable. Step 4, let AI save you time. This part's a game changer. There are AI tools that can summarize long emails, help you write grocery lists, and even suggest the fastest route when you're driving. Try this program. Try Grammarly to help with writing. It gently suggests improvements and can even make your emails sound more polished. No extra tech degree required. Step 5, give yourself permission to learn slowly. Seriously, you don't have to master it all today. You don't have to use every AI tool out there. Just start with one tiny thing that makes your life easier. Over time, you'll feel more confident and a little less like you're behind because you're not. You've got this, and you don't have to do it alone. If you'd love to explore AI without feeling silly, rushed, or overwhelmed, I'd love for you to join our free community, AI Journey for Women 50+. It's a friendly space where you can ask all your questions, get support, and learn alongside other women who are figuring this out too. We're in this together. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos on AI for those over 50, or actually any age. See you in the next video. Bye for now.